In this video, I'd like to show you how to clone your WordPress site using a plugin called Duplicator. I've already installed Duplicator, so I'm going to step you through the process of creating an archive. So here's the Duplicator menu item, and what we're going to do is we're going to create the archive, which in their terminology is a package. So I've already created some here, but we're going to create a new package. Now the first thing it does is does some system requirement checks to make sure everything is okay, and then what it's going to do is allow us to do a scan. The scan makes sure that we aren't creating an absolutely massive archive file, and as you can see here I've set some filters so certain directories aren't going to be backed up, because I've got a lot of subdirectories on this particular development environment. And I've also said that I don't want to back up any archives, but you can do that without archives if you wanted to, but if you have lots of files it might be a good idea to add those. Click on next and it does the scan to make sure that the archive is not going to be too big, and it all looks good. Then what we need to do is actually build the package. It goes off and it archives the database, archives all of the files on your WordPress site, and then what it does is it creates two files: an installer file, which we'll use in step 3, and the actual archive file. What you need to do then is download those by clicking on those two buttons, and I'll show you what to do in the next section with those archive files.